Alright, man. So as you see, that bumper thing is here, man. It's here and in. Throwing the splitter on now. And as usual, man, it's raining in the city, so I ain't gonna be able to give y'all too much footage, you feel me? It's not really too hard. Like I said, I try to make it as simple for y'all as possible, man. It's really just a couple bolts. And you just throw them in up under the bottom. It's like tabs under here. When you get some of these, you put those along the tabs, and then you just screw them in, man. It's really cake work. So I'm about to finish tightening those down, put that on, but you see here, man. Put that new front on there, baby. Oh yeah, some of y'all was asking about what this is. This just because I ain't put the weather strip in yet. I'm waiting for some special rivets to come. It's a special size you gotta have for anybody who's doing it. I think it's a 3x16. You can't use the same ones because you gotta drill out your old rivets from the weather strip. But once I put that in there, it'll fill that gap in perfect. You can see that lineup work, man. You feel me? Perfect line work. So we're gonna throw that splitter on there, man, and we're gonna be sitting right where we wanna be. So stay tuned. Alright, man, so it's gonna slow it down a little bit, you feel me? We almost there, man. Couple more steps. See what Jesse and them on. And if you ain't, man, follow my boy S Spooled Up Jesse. Got his own shop, man. You see what's going on. What we doing here? What's this?
Fixing German junk.
German junk? Should've got a Mopar. Should've put an LS in it. Almost there, man. So there's a couple more pieces I gotta get. It's like this little corner piece I gotta get for the front. And then I gotta glue down, like how I did with the rest, glue down the front pieces. They gonna be in there, man. You see how she's looking, boy. I ain't had no splitter on the front of my car in so long. It's been a little second, but she looked too good, man. Yes, sir. No, Elon is definitely the shit. Cause he even like when he went on the Joe Rogan shit and he got high as fuck, people weren't expecting that. Cause like people don't expect people who smoke weed and shit to be like, you know what I'm saying, crazy, like over the top, successful people. I bet that caught hella people off guard.
Apparently their Tesla stocks and stuff dropped when that happened.
Yeah, cause he was smoking. Yeah.
It's dumb.
It's stupid, bro. People are judgmental as fuck. But that's the thing, though. People gonna start like slowly realizing it's just the stigma behind it, because it's a lot of big like business professionals and people like philanthropists and shit like that who smoke weed.
That do way worse than smoke weed.
Right, way worse than smoke weed.
Yeah, for sure. There's dudes out there snorting fucking lines of coke off shit, and they're the dudes that are CEOs of fucking companies. And
right.
Shit.
But because that shit it's the over the top next level shit, a lot of motherfuckers don't hear about that, so they don't even address that stuff. It's not something that come up in everyday conversation. They'd rather talk about the shitty potheads and shit like that. It's comedy. People judgmental over weed. It's funny though, cause it's like even like daily doctors are figuring out more things that are like good for it. They even said like the whole corona thing, weed is like a good thing to help prevent you from getting it. Some doctor shit that said that. Fuck the coronavirus.
Why are you filming me peeling tape off?
Why not? Cause you're doing some poor man mods. That's what my people like to see.
This isn't poor man mods.
These are poor man mods for sure.
What? Putting an emblem on a car?
Yeah, dog. That's poor man mods, because you're not about to go to no dealership or anything like that. You're just gonna go grab that tape, etch that bitch up, put that bitch on.
That's true.
Poor man mods.
It's gonna make the stereo look sick.
Facts. It already look nasty.
Wait till it's fast.
What year is this?
1987.
87, Stereon. That champagne gold. Peep the Dragon Ball though. Mans has a Dragon Ball for a stick shift. It's lit.
Yeah, dude.
And the sunroof though.
Where's that Master Roshi's house, dude?
Oh yeah. Master Roshi's house, you forgot. With the good 5 guys in the passenger seat. Factuals. It's that good place.
I think it's good. I don't know.
It looks like it's right on that little breed. The little indent. A little lined up, right? It look good.
Nah, it's crooked.
Let me see.
Oh, man. Come on, man.
That ain't crooked. Let me see.
It's crooked. Look.
Yeah.
Damn it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You see it, man. That thing looking like money, boy. Yes, sir. I know I'm gonna catch a lot of hate for having a banana on there, but I told y'all, man, this my build. I don't give a fuck. We've been making them mad. We just gonna make them matter, man. And shout out to everybody who checked on me too for the window, man. We got that boy replaced already. I'm going to get it tinted tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? Like what I was saying in the video, bro, just cause somebody broke in my shit don't mean I'm gonna stop nothing. The V6 obviously got them mad, so we gonna keep it coming. So, y'all stay tuned, we got more coming soon. Shout out to my guy Jesse for letting me come up and use the spot. He thought he was gonna creep in and not get on the camera. No, we got him, but y'all stay tuned, man. We got a lot more coming next time. You just gonna have to wait and see, man. So, till then.
Whoa. I go on.